Just a quick one for anyone who's looking. I know when I went looking, I just draw blanks because people were trying to put the mirrors back in with the new Mk2 Golf headline in, and they wouldn't fit. And they were not bothering and putting a sticky one on the mirror up here and sort of stuff like that. So I'm not one of those people. I like to try and find out why. Excuse the mess. So I thought I'd make a quick video if you're looking. I've installed a new headline in my Mark II. You can't see, I'm on my phone, I'm in the car, lying on my back. It's a bit awkward, but this is the new headline in from Headlining World on eBay. Really nice fit, really nice finish. I actually prefer it to the original. I've done my sunroof panel as well, again nice and easy. I should have done a couple of more videos, but I didn't really think about it. So the rear view mirror, now because the new headliner is made of fiberglass, and it's got a material in it with like a 5mm scrim backing, which makes it quite thick. So the mirror hasn't got a lot of tolerance to fit, so it can be a bit of a pig. Basically, it won't fit with a new headline in. So I just done the simple thing really. I took the surround off of the mirror, and I offered it up to the hole to find out, to find out where it was catching. Drew round it with a permanent marker, got the Dremel out down there, excuse the mess, cut the cloth back, just cut about, I don't know, it's probably 3-4 mil, if that, just out of the fiberglass at the back, just about there. And then the mirror, quite simply, he says, one-handed, camera in one hand, goes into there, and then click, and that's it, fitted. And as you can see, there's no nasties on show. It's all covered up, fits really nice. That's it. So all that is required is just a little bit of trimming of that fiberglass. I have thought about doing some more videos. I'm building this car more or less for myself, not for other people. So there's, you know, original features are important to me in some respects, but not in others. So I thought about doing a few more videos, but it depends. If I get a good reaction on this, I might start actually making a few more videos about the journey of the car. But I thought that was quite valuable because I went to look and didn't find any information about that. Most people just gave up. So all I've got left to do now is get the sun visors retrimmed in the material. They send you the material to do that, so that'd be quite handy. I've managed to do everything else. The sunroof is all nice, the seal went back in nice, and it's just it is a really good fit. It's a cracking bit of kit. I think it was about 140, 150 quid, but then I ended up having to pay 30 quid for the postage, so all in about 180 pounds. But cracking bit of kit, highly recommended. If you found this of any use whatsoever and you want to see more of the car, for reference, it's a 91 3-door pearl grey GTI 8-valve. If you want to see any more, I might actually tidy the mess in the garage up and perhaps make some more videos. Leave something in the comments, let me know. If you do, I'll start doing it. I hope it helps anybody, somebody. You never know. Sorry about the audio, sorry about the video quality. It is a mobile phone. I'm not set up for YouTubing. Yeah, so that's that. Cheers.